Hello, my dear friends on the YouTube. So far, we have dealt with basics of components, but we haven't talked about their connection styles. Of course, it's series and parallel time. So, whenever we build a circuit, it's simple to understand how a current flows from higher potential to lower potential. But it gets complicated when there is a circuit get together. So, what are you waiting for? Let's join the party. A series connection is a straightforward rigging style where the components end to end is connected to each other and forms a chain-like pattern. Here we have two resistors and a battery. It could be any component. For simplicity, we will use the resistors. In series, the voltage gets divided while the current remains constant. A series connection is preferred only for electrical safety, like a fuse, because it's like everything can be either on or off at a given time. A parallel circuit is achieved by making a connection like this. The head of two or more components are connected together, and same happens with the tail too, and thus forms a ladder-like structure. In the parallel circuit, voltage remains constant while the current gets divided. So this is the safest connection and helps in individual control of each component. In a parallel circuit, since the voltage remains constant, no matter how a big appliance or a big load is attached, it still runs better. And here is the best example of how a voltage and a current get split into equal stages or levels. In each level, the voltage and current is equally distributed, and thus it has no loss or no gain of current or the voltage. Thus, it obeys the laws of conservation of energy. So that's it for today, and do like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for more free contents like this. Thank you and stay electrified. Good.